Have you ever stopped to wonder about the things that money just can't buy? Sure, wealth can offer luxury, security, and access to countless opportunities. But there are some priceless aspects of life that no amount of money can touch. In this video, we'll reveal 15 things that remain out of reach for even the wealthiest individuals. You'll discover that true value often lies in experiences and qualities that can't be purchased, no matter how large your bank account grows. Stick around, because what you'll learn today might completely change how you view wealth and happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on achieving financial freedom while maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. 1. Personality. The true wealth. Money can buy education, clothes, and experiences, but it can't buy a great personality. A vibrant personality draws people in regardless of wealth. Think about that one person at a party who lights up the room. It's their authenticity and connection with others that make them unforgettable, not their bank account. 2. The priceless value of truth. The truth is something money can't buy. You can bribe, beg, or threaten, but genuine truth only comes from honest people. For instance, whistleblowers often risk everything to reveal the truth, and no amount of money could silence them when integrity is at stake. 3. A world of sanity and reason. A world ruled by logic and reason may seem like a simple request, yet even the richest people live in a world filled with chaos and unpredictability. No amount of money can buy universal peace or prevent the emotional decisions that shape society, much like how even the wealthiest leaders are vulnerable to global upheavals. 4. Natural charisma, the magnetic trait. Charisma can't be bought. It's an intangible trait that naturally draws others in. Picture someone who commands attention the moment they walk into a room, despite having very little wealth. Their confidence, empathy, and ability to engage make them magnetic, not their material possessions. 5. True, loyal friendships. Genuine friendships are never built on financial transactions. While celebrities might form connections with paid staff, these relationships often lack authenticity. Real friendships come from trust, mutual respect, and shared experiences, things that no amount of wealth can buy. 6. Common sense. The power of practical thinking. Money can't buy common sense, and it's shocking how many wealthy people make irrational decisions. Common sense is built through life experiences, learning from mistakes, and being honest with oneself. Consider how some self-made entrepreneurs used their street smarts to rise to the top, despite starting with very little. 7. Emotional intelligence, the key to leadership. High emotional intelligence, EQ, can't be purchased, but it's essential for great leadership. People with strong EQ can manage their emotions, lead teams, and connect with others on a deep level. Think of renowned leaders who inspire others not through power or wealth, but through their ability to empathize and motivate. 8. Good genes, nature's gift. Despite advances in technology, money can't buy perfect genetics. You might be able to enhance certain traits, but factors like longevity, intelligence, and athletic ability are still out of your control. Even the wealthiest individuals can't override the genetic lottery that determines much of their physical and mental traits. 9. A deep sense of purpose. No consultant can hand you your life's purpose, no matter how much you pay them. Many wealthy people continue to search for meaning long after they've amassed their fortunes. Highlighting that purpose is something deeply personal and can't be purchased. 10. Stable mental health. Money can provide access to mental health resources, but it can't guarantee happiness or stability. In fact, studies show that wealth often brings its own unique set of mental health challenges, especially among teenagers from affluent backgrounds. Everyone, regardless of wealth, must navigate their mental health journey. 11. Freedom from pain. Pain is a universal experience that no amount of wealth can erase. Life's tragedies, loss, heartbreak, illness, come for everyone, including the richest people. Even billionaires face physical and emotional pain that money can't heal. 12. More time with loved ones. Time is the most precious resource we have, and no amount of wealth can buy more of it. Whether it's with family or friends, the moments we share are limited. Many realize too late that time, not money, is the true currency of life. 13. Good health. While wealth can provide access to top-tier healthcare, it can't guarantee good health. Even the richest people in the world can't escape sudden illness or disease, as seen with Steve Jobs, who had access to the best medical care yet still succumbed to illness. 14. Foresight, predicting the future. Wouldn't it be amazing to see into the future and know exactly what decisions to make? Unfortunately, foresight isn't for sale. The best we can do is learn from past experiences to make informed decisions about our future. 15. Youth, the ultimate irreplaceable gift. The value of youth is something we often don't realize until it's gone. People spend billions on anti-aging treatments, but no amount of money can bring back the vitality and innocence of youth. We can try to slow the aging process on the outside, but time moves forward for everyone. If you're intrigued by the idea of living a meaningful, financially free life, keep watching our previous videos where we discuss more strategies on how to achieve this balance. Remember, true wealth lies not just in money, but in the intangible aspects of life that bring fulfillment. Click the link in the description for more insights, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom and happiness.